For many families, learning from home means learning from the kitchen table, where snacks are often in easy reach.
Definitely just everybody being home and knowing that food's more accessible is driving a lot of our increased calorie intake right now.
But back to school season can also be a good time for a reset. Dr. Benard is a pediatrician at University of Missouri Healthcare and an expert in weight management. She says it's important for kids to maintain a routine, much like they would if they were going to school in person.
We want them to be keeping up with good bedtime routines, and we also want them to be waking up at about the same time that they would for school. That also means that we want them to be eating at about the same time they would during their school day as well.
That means sticking to 3 meals a day, as well as a morning or afternoon snack. And healthy snacks are key.
Dairy products like cheese, peanut butter, Greek yogurt are all really good for protein. And then complex carbohydrates can include things like whole grain breads or whole grain crackers are good.
It definitely won't be a typical school year, so Dr. Benard says it's important to check on your kids' mental health as well.
Say, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling stressed or worried about anything? Sometimes if we can just get kids to talk about their feelings, then that negates any need for emotional eating because they work through their feelings in a healthier manner.
Helping the new school year feel a little more routine. From the University of Missouri, I'm Teresa Snow.